Know what time it is when I'm sitting here. Anywho, we got us some Dave's hot chicken. Mind y'all, I've been in Texas for like 3-4 years now, and I have not tried this yet. And I heard you can pick what spicy level you want, and if you know me, you know. So I picked the hottest. Put all the water in. 30 minutes straight. Hold on, let's open it. Let's have the crowd see. Just look at this. Like, I was looking for like a moment, but like, it's giving. It's giving. You want to try?
It's Dave's.
Yeah, but I got the spiciest.
I'll get a plate.
A plate?
Wait, you give me a 10?
A bite? Okay. He doesn't want some a plate. Get you a bite.
Yeah.
Oh, food. And that was a big old bite. You must take the whole tender. How it taste?
Not spicy.
I got the spiciest level though. Here, you can take this.
For? Hey. Go again?
I mean, it's hurting me, but my turn to try. Dip, dip, dip. My cookies so out. Can't read it yet. Hello, honey. He's talking about it's not spicy. He better not run out here looking for water, because it is. All right. Let's go ahead and try this now. Yeah, they ate. They ate. This is 10 out of 10. Just finna be an everyday thing. Every day's a drag though, cause this was $16, but it was real good. It was good.